Hey guys, Louis G here. Another beautiful day in the capital city. I'm finally home from my rotation at work. The nav screen for the TrackHawk is sitting at home, so we're gonna try and install that. Hopefully I have all the right tools. I know you need some really small Torx bits. Other than that, gonna wash the STI off because it's filthy, because I had it at work and I was bombing up and down the lease road. So yeah, let's go wash it up. And then head to grandma's house and see if I can get this nav screen installed, and that'll be sweet. As you can see, the STI is absolutely filthy. She did really good helping me out, getting me to work safely. I was beating it down the lease roads, hitting some loose gravel, really feeling what the rally heritage of this car meant. It was awesome. Hey, where are my keys? Oh, absolute filth. Unbelievable. Disgusting. How do I live with myself? So we're at Granny's house and I just got the new screen. I ordered it off of, what's it called? Factory Radio Parts. Got here in about 10 days. They're in Florida and I'm in Alberta, so a little bit of a way to go. Yeah, let's pop it open. Hopefully you guys can see me. Hopefully this isn't a terrible shot. So it was $189 US, 205 with shipping. It came out to $270 Canadian. Okay, what the hell? I think that's a good price for a replacement nav screen. Pretty happy with that. Nice package. They have a video on their website on how to replace the screen. It looks pretty straightforward. I don't know if I have T8 and T9 Torx screwdrivers though. That's the only thing I'm really worried about. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that. All right. Dang. So it's got film on both sides, I think. It's only got the one clip. Should be pretty straightforward. Now let's go pop the nav out of the truck. Start there. Okay, so I'm gonna start ripping this thing out. I apologize for the video quality. The sun is not doing us any favors. But yeah, let's just get going. So first thing you gotta do is pop this thing up. And you just grab it from here and start pulling. Yes, it's supposed to sound like that. Yes, it's supposed to scare you. And I gotta grab my trim tools and start popping all the way around. Duh, should have had the flash on. Anyway, 4 7mm, we're gonna pop these guys out and she should fall right out. Oh, I'm also gonna pop this out, and I think I'm going to take it to some body shops and see if anybody can work carbon fiber. Because that piece retails for $2,400 Canadian. You heard that right. I shopped it on the internet and the cheapest I could find it was $1,500 US. Wow. Okay, so to get access to the other bolt on this piece of trim, you gotta pop this guy out. It's really easy. You just kind of pull on this part, and then I stuck my trim tool back here and just went pop. Did the same thing on the other side. Little yank, trim tool, pop. Just came right out, and then where are we? There's a little 7mm right there to get this piece out. Okay, got her out. No broken clips. But this panel is screwed up anyway. But I think retails like $1,000 on it, so I think that's the part number. Hopefully, I'm gonna shop it around the internet, eBay type stuff. The only thing is that this has a different finish than most of the Grand Cherokee bezels. So gotta look out for that. If not, oh, where is it? Try to repair it ourselves with a heat gun. See how much we can do. Okay, boys, so took a massive L today. I put everything away. I was so sad and angry I couldn't even film, but basically I got the wrong screen, okay? This is the screen that I butchered off, as you can see, and it actually butchered me too. Cut my cuticle open, bleeding out over here. Gonna do some Googling as to what screen I need. Got the trim piece popped out. She's pretty chewed up. So we're gonna take it to different body shops and see if somebody is comfortable working with carbon fiber. You can't tell how bad it is on camera, but it's pretty ugly. Hopefully they can fix it up because it's really expensive. And on the back side, you see these 4 little posts here? I don't know if you can see those, but anyway, those are plastic welded to this. So this is gonna have to get plastic welded back on, but not before we repair the chewed up ring here. It's terrible. Hopefully it can be fixed. Luckily the start button's cheap. It's like 170 bucks Canadian, so fuck all, right? God damn it. Can't believe I got the wrong screen. I don't have the highest level of confidence that I'm going to be able to find a replacement. Luckily, we have a part number right here, so I can hit the Google machine hard and try and find a solution. This little cunny was a real pleasure messing with. Luckily, now I know that you just have to pop these 5 or 6 out, and then the screen falls out of the front, so... For next time, other than that, I'm going to wrap it up here. Got some partying to do tonight. We'll catch you on the next one.